Hi there, future rockstar writers. My name is Rose Hedberg. I am a grant writer, a writing coach, and the founder of a writing services company called Ideas Right Now. Why am I here today? I'm also part of a powerhouse writing team that formed last year when there was an overwhelming call from the learngrantwriting.org community for resources and training around the craft of writing in a career as a grant writer. So as the team formed, myself, Christina Barr, and the founders at learngrantwriting.org got together and developed a 9-video writing course just for you. Introducing From Pen to Polished, how to write well and say what you mean in grant applications. If you want to write grants, with confidence and clarity, then this is a course for you. If you are looking to waste less time staring at a blank page and more time developing a practice for writing that is productive, then this is a course for you. If you struggle with word or character count restrictions in a grant application, we've got your back. This course is for you. If you need a writing toolkit to transition more confidently into being a grant writer, then this course will help you with that. And lastly, if you learn by model examples and practice, then this is a course for you. We've broken up the 9 videos into 2 sections. Videos 2 through 6 are instructional videos. They're layering that foundation of what is good writing and how you can develop those skills. In the latter part, videos 7 through 9, you'll be introduced to case studies featuring 2 organizations that will be the basis for you to create real-world grant-related deliverables. So let's take a sneak peek into From Pen to Polished. After your introduction, you'll begin with the basics, a crash course on parts of speech and sentence structure. Mastering these basic skills will help you to handle all future writing tasks, including the challenge of word and character count restrictions in your grant applications. Video 3, we will deep dive into that mindset of being a writer and try and tackle why it's so darn difficult to write. You'll learn how to develop your own writing environment that fits you, which means more productivity and less time staring at a blank page. Mastering your mindset as a writer and creating that conducive writing environment will give you confidence in your writing skills. In video 4, we'll talk about what exactly is good writing. You'll find it's a soft skill achievable by anyone. Yes, even if you're coming to a career as a grant writer with zero background in writing and editing, you can learn to write well and conquer writer's block along the way. In video 5, we'll break down the essential skills of persuasive writing. We introduce the rhetorical tools of pathos, ethos, and logos, and even guide you on how you can mirror our recipe of persuasive writing in your own grant applications. Rounding out the first part of the course is video 6, where we bring in an element of creativity. We show you how storytelling sourced from your organizations will make up for better and stronger writing that connects with a funder. We'll even give you 4 copy and paste writing techniques that you can use to write an engaging hook in your letter of inquiries. In video 7, you'll be introduced to Christina Barr. She will talk about why case studies are essential for you developing your skills as a writer, and she'll give you a step-by-step guide on how to create a letter of inquiry. In video 8, you will meet your organizations in their client profiles. You'll also be tasked to write your very own letter of inquiry, power prospectus, and to answer a grant narrative question. Then in video 9, Christina will show you those model deliverables of the LOI, power prospectus, and grant narrative question you were tasked to write. She will deconstruct these models, showing just how they are good writing and offering you a unique chance as a participant of an online course to have a competency check for your writing. Now, in completing this 9-video course, you will come away with a tailored writing practice for high productivity. You'll have writing techniques to mirror in your grant applications. You'll have 5 writing templates you can download and use, including one for an LOI. And if you complete all those case study assignments, you will have your very own writing samples to build out your portfolio. So if you'd like to learn how to write well and say what you mean in grant applications, we look forward to seeing you in our course, From Pen to Polished.